Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you that I am in fact earning with successful solution method because as you know documentation beats conversation, so you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Pouncey. I'm an online offline affiliate marketer. I have been doing affiliate marketing for almost 3 years now, and you probably came across my channel because you are wanting to make some additional income from home, and I believe I have found the perfect solution for that. So I've been involved in this amazing program called Successful Solution Method for the past 3 months, in which I've been earning consistently since joining the program. With this program, we're simply just completing daily tasks and earning commissions for completing those daily tasks. We're basically learning how to build a successful online business. And in this video, I want to show you the amount of money I have made since joining the program. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Just bear with me while I get it pulled up. Okay, guys. So as you can see, my name is here in the top right corner. And this is the amount of money that I have made since joining Successful Solution Method. So I have made a total of $2,200 since joining, and that's just me simply completing my daily tasks. I didn't have to recruit anyone, sell anything to anyone, talk to anyone. 90% of the work is done for you. All you have to do is focus on the other 10%. So I'm going to show you the days in which I have been paid. So here are all of my commissions that I have received so far. So on June 26th, I received 3 payments. Each, two of them were for $150, and one of them was for $50. Which totaled $350. On July 17th, I received 3 more payments. All 3 of those totaled $150. On 8/7, I received 2 payments, one for $500 and one for $250. So I actually, on that day, had a $750 day. I never received that much money in any affiliate marketing program ever since starting affiliate marketing 3 years ago. So guys, this is very encouraging. On 8/14, I received $150, and on 8/28, I received $350. Guys, all of these commissions were earned simply just by me completing my income producing activities. And I did a video on the income producing activities that we must do in order to earn commissions. So when you have a chance, just go back and view that video. So guys, here is all of my commissions, and go back to the home screen. But yeah, guys, I earned a total of $2,200 since joining. This program has been amazing for a lot of newbies who are just starting affiliate marketing. It's been amazing for even seasoned marketers who had not found their breakthrough. and they've been struggling online, trying to earn money. They didn't know what they were doing wrong in their online business. And with Successful Solution Method, this program teaches you what to do in order to have a successful online business. It lets you know, the mentor of the program, she's the creator, she gives us amazing training on the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing. And so a lot of people who have joined Successful Solution Method, they are earning. Majority of the members are earning commissions because they're completing their daily income producing activities, and they're just following simple instructions, guys. So if you want to be a part of this amazing program, I have the link in the description. You can just click that link and read up more on Successful Solution Method. And I also put the webinar link in the description, in which we have a webinar tonight. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I put that link in the description so that if you want to attend one of our webinars, which they are amazing, you can just click that link and register for the webinar. And I also have my Facebook link in the description, so you can just go ahead and contact me that way if you have any additional questions or you just want to chit chat. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.